Welcome to the daily review from KASM Capital, the US market, euro versus the dollar US, the movement in Bitcoin as well as trends in oil and gold, as given by the founder Dr. Men.
Good morning. We are back with the morning report for all the markets as well as the US dollar and Bitcoin and the movement in oil and gold. The markets are holding their breath, waiting for the PPI report due tomorrow and the CPI report due the day after. They, there is a bit of uncertainty with regards to the Fed, and that is making the markets a bit nervous. However, there has been some upward momentum overnight, and the markets have gained further. The markets are moving more in a sideways pattern since last night, and I believe they will continue to do that. Uh, the Dow Jones, as well as the S&P 500, as well as the Nasdaq 100, all appear to be moving in a range-bound direction, showing mild to none gains at all. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin did drop to its support level just before the weekend, but it has picked up since then and has now been hovering at the 113,000 mark since yesterday. We did say that that is what would happen, and it's that's exactly what it's doing. I think it will stay at this level depending on how the markets take shape tomorrow and the day after with the PPI and CPI reports. I think the markets will rally following these reports, and so will Bitcoin. Gold has again moved sideways while the markets have rallied, which is understandable. Gold, being a safe haven asset, tends to be static when the markets are having an upward momentum, and that is what's happening. Oil prices did drop following the production cap from the OPEC countries. However, they did rise after the premium cuts announced by Saudi Arabia. So, therefore, markets moving in a sideways pattern, and the market moving event this week is the PPI report tomorrow and the CPI report due Thursday. We will keep you posted on these.